In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So the first step is to simply go to Bybit and then simply go to your settings. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up, and then you're gonna have to simply go to your account and security, and then here you're gonna have to simply make sure to go here. Let's see, so let's scroll down, and as you can see we have Google two-factor authentication. So click on settings, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your code that you're gonna receive on your email address. So let's see which is the code. So let me grab my code. So let's see, like this. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply open Google Authenticator on your mobile device, and then you're gonna have to simply copy this link, or you can simply scan the QR code. So let me scan the code, and basically that's it. Now what I'm gonna have to do is simply enter the code generated. So let's type in the code and then simply click on confirm, and that's it. So as you can see, now we have Google Authenticator set up. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.